The InkSonic R1390 DTF printer is built for creators who want to move beyond basic vinyl cutters and heat transfer paper into true commercial-grade apparel printing, without jumping into the extremely high price range of industrial DTF machines. This A3 format printer supports up to 13-inch wide designs, giving you enough space for full front tees, hoodie back graphics, tote bag prints, and detailed merchandising pieces. It's designed to give small businesses, hobby shops, and clothing startups a complete production workflow in one bundle. One of the biggest selling points here is that the R1390 comes paired with its own DTF curing oven, which lets you properly melt the adhesive powder without needing a large heat press for that step. That alone makes the setup more user-friendly for beginners, since consistent powder curing is one of the most important factors in achieving long-lasting prints. With the included oven, the workflow becomes simple: print your design, apply the DTF powder, cure it, and then press it onto your fabric with your regular heat press. This system keeps quality consistent and repeats stable results once you learn the basics. The printer uses a refined print engine based on proven Epson architecture, which many small DTF machines rely on due to its reliable ink delivery and color performance. What separates this machine from cheaper alternatives is its white ink circulation system. White ink is notorious for settling and clogging, but continuous circulation helps massively reduce downtime and cleaning needs. For people who plan to run daily or frequent prints, this is one of the features that makes the InkSonic R1390 better than budget DTF options that clog within days of inactivity. In terms of usability, setup is reasonably straightforward for anyone familiar with basic printing workflows. It works with typical Windows-based RIP software, uses standard DTF inks and PET film, and its overall footprint is compact enough for small studios or home workspaces. The bundled oven heats evenly, giving predictable curing times, which is crucial for beginners still learning the temperature and timing balance. Once dialed in, the learning curve flattens quickly. However, like all DTF printers, it's not a zero-maintenance device. Users must commit to routine cleanings and proper shutdown procedures. White ink channels especially need consistent usage, otherwise clogs, banding, or reduced flow can occur. Print speed is also on the slower side compared to higher-end XP600 or dual-head models, making this bundle better suited for small batch production, custom orders, or boutique clothing brands rather than heavy volume operations. The machine performs well, but users wanting industrial output should consider stepping up to a faster print head architecture. Despite those realistic limitations, the InkSonic R1390 stands out as a strong balance between performance, affordability, and workflow completeness. The inclusion of the curing oven, the improved white ink circulation, and the consistency of A3-sized prints make it an appealing choice for creators who want dependable quality without dealing with overly complex or industrial-scale setups. It's also a solid upgrade path for people moving from vinyl cutting or sublimation into something closer to professional apparel production. Overall, the InkSonic R1390 DTF printer bundle is a compelling pick for small businesses, Etsy sellers, custom merch designers, and home-based print shops. You get reliable color performance, durable film transfers, and a full turnkey system at a cost that's manageable for new creators. If your goal is to produce high-quality apparel prints with good longevity and a complete workflow from day one, this bundle offers strong value and a practical entry point into the DTF market.